I can bring my katong Calvin na bag.
Sabi?
And then
Ano
also,
ako dalo, hindi ka out of campus.
required po of waiver and medical
Dapat tayo
document.
siya.
We'll start with the requirements next week siguro. Okay, tentative schedule for our out of campus will be on
Ay, wala po
April
yung wala po
12.
yung data dito.
April 12.
Saan lang sa Discord?
Tentative schedule for out of campus.
Cute kayo siya. Nakuha na ko sa Japanese.
Location is in Lambu, Bajan.
Ako na, dapita, sir. Sorry, sir, di ko talaga, sir. Asa na, dapita, sir.
Search kaya ninyo na Lambu na pinag-ibig na
Pwede tama beach, sir. Mag-swimming. Pwede na kayo.
More likely, ang mukha na between 900 to 1,000.
Ah, okay.
Okay, yung mama, 1,000 na lang. Kasi hindi 5,000 na.
5,000 pero para snacks and kuhan. Restaurant.
April 12, sa buong percentage, April 12 kay tulo ka section, yang April 26 ang section.
Ang magdala gyud tayo katong ngayon.
Saan din, hindi ko pwede nga sa tao wala pa na ang kailan ng klase nila nakatap ng breakdown ang kailangan ability entrance sa resort.
Oh, resort! Okay na kayo, sir.
Sa survey, ako survey dito, likely mga 1 to 2 hours naman, mabuta dito mga 10. Mabuta dito 10, so maybe mahuman mo mga between 1. After, 1 to 5, na kung may free time.
Dami up. Ay, kita magdili na excited, sir. Sir. Sir.
Tumagawa ako ng sali.
Sir, magdala pa sa katong silver neck, ani, sir? Ay, boss. Possible.
May pag-competition lang.
Boss, kampi. Yun, totoo yung
Okay, di ba niya? Mag-survey ba ito?
Sure di kayo, sir.
Pero ba na ito?
Importante, di masahag, sir.
That will be from 6:30 ta dire. Yan, maulit ta. Gikan ta dito alas 5. Ako na dire alas 3.
Wala, sir. Sunday na, sir.
Alas 3 sa gabi.
Yay, another reason not to go to church.
Wait, kasi, bye.
Okay, so that is our notes coverage for our midterm. So sa midterm class, you have a problem, you have the magnetic declination and area computation. Dali naman sa area computation. Grades na lang sa notes na ito lang. Okay, get your notes. Katong na, marami dito sana.
Share na tayo.
Okay, so we have the compass survey. So you already know what is open compass traverse and a closed compass traverse. We have that example last time for the katong angular measurements. So open traverse are open compass traverse consists of a series of lines of known length and magnetic bearing which are continuous but not return to the starting point or close upon a point of known position. Such traverse is usually run for preliminary or exploratory purpose as in road survey. So, gamit ni siya sa paghimo og karsada. No? And as to close compass traverse consists of series of lines of known lengths and magnetic bearing which forms a loop or closed loop or begin and end at a point whose position have been fixed by other surveys or higher precision. So, muna inyong mga lap, no? Yuta. Okay? Also, we have other commonly used terms in compass traverse. We have traverse is a series of lines connecting successive points whose lengths and directions have been determined from field measurement. So, ang traverse is the whole katong murag whole length sa line. So, muna ang traverse. Traversing is the process of measuring the length and direction of the lines of the traverse for the purpose of locating the position or of certain points. So, traversing is the process. So, ang traverse class, ini imuhang usa ka process. Kana mo yung traverse. Ang traversing is the process. The next one is the traverse station. Traverse station. Okay? The traverse station are any temporary or permanent point of reference over which the instrument is set up. It is usually marked by a peg or hub driven flush with the ground identified by consecutive letters or numbers as the survey progress. Traverse station are also known as angle points because an angle is usually measured in such station. So, katong you have i-measure diri nga inter-angle, di ba na mo the instrument? So, asa inyong instrument na set up, that will be your traverse station. The next one is the traverse line. Okay, so this is the traverse line. So, traverse, katong tanan. Traversing is the process. Traverse station is the intersection. Then traverse line is the line. So these lines connecting the traverse station and whose length and direction are determined. So normally class in traverse, sa mga traverse, ang ihatag yun nila, we have the distance or length and the bearing. O yun na yung usual na ipanghatag. Or if ever, dili available ang bearing, we have the azimuth. So marami na yung mga balik-balik class. Now, in traverse, either bearing or azimuth ang given and the distance. So, mo rin sila. Ano yung ito gamiton when it comes to changing the bearing and azimuth to latitude and departure. The next one is magnetic declination. I already iba-iba na ito mga nino kung saan yung magnetic declination. Ang magnetic declination is the horizontal angle and direction by which the needle of the compass deflects from the true meridian at any particular locality. So this is called the magnetic declination, either to east or to west. Let's have this problem. So in a compass traverse show made 50 years ago, the observed magnetic bearing, so kasabot na mo sa magnetic bearing, true bearing ha. So magnetic bearing refers from the magnetic north. Ang true bearing refers from the true north. No? Iba naman kung sa true north or true meridian and magnetic meridian and magnetic north. Paliharan na sila. Okay? So in compass survey made 50 years ago, the observed magnetic bearing of the reference line AB was 50 degrees 18 minutes east, when the magnetic declination was 8 degrees 15 minutes east. Lately, in 2016, a new survey was made and the magnetic declination of the same survey site changed to 12 degrees 10 minutes west. Determine the following description of the line. Letter A is true bearing, letter B, magnetic north and south. Letter C, new magnetic bearing, and letter D, the magnetic azimuth from north and south in 2016. Simple problem. Ini yun siya drawing on class. What sa yung mga case kanina, nag-drawing ako. Kung bantay na yung ka na. Natay reference line AB. Asa ang reference line AB? Southeast. Adri. Muna ako ang reference line AB. Muna, silbi, muna ako ang true north. True north na. In 50 years, ang magnetic bearing ang magnetic declination kay east 8 degrees. Patungong sa east 8 degrees 15 minutes. This is your magnetic north. Okay? 8 degrees 15 minutes. So, ang magnetic bearing sa line, ikan sa magnetic north. Ano niya itong reference line AB? Southeast. Southeast. Yan ibutang dari class, magnetic bearing. So, it should be from the magnetic north. May magnetic bearing man. Pero, ingon siya, true bearing, ikan siya sa true north. Ano niya itong reference line? So therefore, ang atuang magnetic bearing sa reference line gikan sa magnetic north. So mo man ni ang true south man ni. Kini kay magnetic south mo ni. Gikan sa magnetic padung gihapon ay gihatag sa bearing. 50 degrees 18. Ano yung gihatag sa problem? Okay? So, magnetic bearing of reference line AB was south 50 degrees 18. So, gikan ka sa magnetic north. Okay? So, the question is, pila ang true bearing? So, gikan ka sa true bearing. True north, true south. Pila ko nun eh. Pila man eh.
Itong declination minus anong bearing, sir? Yung minus ra.
Minus. Ini siya class is also equivalent to 815. Okay? Therefore, kung ang letter A, True bearing is equal to 50 degrees 18 minus 8 degrees 15. 42 degrees 3 minutes. Okay? Sunod, letter B, question is the true azimuth from north and the true azimuth from south. Gikan sa north, but gikan sa true north. True azimuth from north, ano yung azimuth true from north? Nya, true azimuth from south. Azimuth true south. Huh? Letter B, true azimuth. Azimuth from north, ilan na? 180 minus 42, 130, 131, 57. Huh? Okay? Based sa inyong drawing, ang isa kong drawing, mamanigikan man sa true north. Padung diha. Nya ang true south, mani ang bearing. So, 180 minus 42, 3, 131. Huh? Okay? And then for azimuth sa south, ikan sa south, padung sa dito. That will be
60 minus
360.
17 degrees 57 minutes.
Okay? Naragyan sa inyo ang drawing class mo, sa akong yung pag-answer. Within 360 minus 42 or 180 plus 137. Ako na bahala. So in 2016, the magnetic declination was changed to 12 degrees 10 minutes west. So nanasan sa west. Nanasan siya diri. 12 degrees 10 minutes west. Mani ang magnetic north view 2016. Okay. So ang question is, pila na sad ang magnetic bearing? Hindi ka nasanta sa magnetic nga reference. So pila na sad ikan diri? Ano diha? O na ni ang new magnetic bearing? Pila man na? Take note na kayo, nani yung ang problem sa midterm. Dili na multiple choice. Sila? Letter C.
Minus sa partial coordinate. True bearing. Magnetic.
Ilan na? Ang lines class, depende no, kung nakasya diri, nakasya, no? Punha na to. Yung bearing, ilan? 29 degrees, 53. South East Java. Okay, so yun sa mana. That will be equal to the true bearing 42 degrees 3 minus 12 degrees 10 minutes. Okay, kini siya nga part ng class. Kini siya 12 degrees 10 mana. Then letter D, the magnetic azimuth from north and south in 2016. Letter D, magnetic azimuth. Magnetic azimuth, so ika na sa north. So kini, magnetic ha. Ika na ni padung sa line. Azimuth, magnetic north. Ikat po sa south. Ikat sa south, padung sa line. Azimuth, magnetic south. Pila ba na? Ha? Pila na ako, nagkinira niya ako problema mo. Ikaw na matao niyo sa mag-isip mo. 360 man sa? Or 180 man sa? Pare-ara? So, depende dyan sa inyo ang drawing. No? Depende sa inyo ang drawing. Kasaw pa rin. So, ang azimuth sa north, 157. Ang azimuth sa south, 237. Prosigitahan mo lang po. Wala, mga oras yan sa inyo ang exam kanina. Tuyok lang. Ibaw na mo sa bearing, ibaw na mo sa ating mo. Ang atuwa diri is asa siya gikan, whether from true north or from magnetic north. No?
330 degrees.
330 minutes. Hindi naman. Question? Mutana? This should be one the coverage sa inyong midterm. Ha? Question? Wala? Same problem. Your assignment. Same problem. AC. Yan. Magnetic to, no? Even kay same magnetic declination, but ang yang given is true bearing north 52 degrees 23 minutes. Assignment na ha. Assignment na ninyo. Okay. Sa bagong assignment na nakatan. Same problem. Maniana na dito. Ang given is strawberry. So therefore, ang question niya class, ang letter A should be magnetic bearing. Kay true man ang gihatag. So question ha. Determine